So, our first question is, do you need to use a clarifying shampoo the wash day before a color? So, this is a touchy subject because that's it. Okay. And so if you are doing that, you now have a different chemical compound and a different structure inside the hair shaft. So at this point, hello, Guru One-on-One, and today we are going to go into the braid pattern that I use for my crochet braids. Now, I've done quite a few braid patterns, and this is the best one for the least amount of tension. So there we go. My hair is blown out. And they have such a problem holding length in the back is because the back of your head and that braid back there is the part that you pay the least attention to. But in reality, that's the portion that you need to pay. It's behind the scenes on the Guru One-on-One. Listen, the challenge number 2. So we're going to give this another go because the first round was so good. So over the next 7 days, if you follow everything down to the T and you don't add no extra mixes or nothing, this is going to be a challenge that completely transforms your hair growth cycle. But if you do not go deep in there, like really, really deep in there, and make sure you're doing some type of bond reconstruction or some type of bond repair, what happens is the hair continues to separate. These two. Hello, Guru One-on-One, and welcome to how to cleanse your scalp with braids and how to properly use a derma roller. I'm so excited to share this video with you because this is one of the most recently asked questions and most highly requested videos on my channel on YouTube and just everywhere. But of course, you only get long exclusive content here on the Guru One-on-One. So this is how my hair looks after it's been braided up for only 2 weeks, you guys. End result, because you have to let the blow dryer and the brush do its job. Whenever I speak on one, and welcome to our question and answers portion. If you are ever confused on exactly how to access the Guru, it is really, really simple. You're going to go here. And this is, of course, if you are on the desktop version. If you are on the mobile version, of course, it's going to look a little different. You have a drop down key. Let me know if you want me to talk to you about that. But you'll have home, you'll have the Guru podcast, which, you can go listen to. It's free 99. And then next you have your memberships. You don't have to worry about this because you already have a membership with me here. Okay, so now you're going to head right over to the Guru 101. Now, the thing about this is you have to always pay attention to exactly what type of content you are trying to access. If you want to get to the new videos, it will all be found on the Guru TV. So, our first question is, do you need to use a clarifying shampoo the wash day before a color? So,